time. I simply just have them around for a while. So this is my sectioning. Let me just show you. Don't be scared. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gerardo and I love hair. Today I bring you on my third attempt installing Crochet Faux Locs. So let's get into it. So this is how I went to bed yesterday. I sectioned my hair and divided my hair. Here's, I'm gonna leave here my sectioning, which is the same one I did the first time I installed 12-inch faux locs on my head. For the first time I did them, and because I'm not really versed into how to section my hair, how to braid my hair, I simply did normal braids, and I sectioned with this, the pattern that you're going to be seeing here. Yeah, with me you're not going to learn how to do that. I simply just went in and you see my hair is all wrapped up. I simply just went in and sectioned individually, doing like a hook with my finger, and I sort of try to make them a decent size. I think there are like 34 braids in my head right now. But yeah, so I'm gonna be installing this. Let me see if I can take them. I'm gonna be installing this 20-inch Bae Locs by Bobbi Boss. It's a natural friendly in the color 1B. It comes with 2 accents threaded locks, and it says here it's authentic natural hairstyle, high quality fiber fashion for most realistic natural appearance, 2 accent threaded locks, beautiful color with tie-dye threads for the perfect accent and versatile customization, crochet interlocking, time-saving, effortless installation, natural texture, remarkably natural look, and soft to touch handling, excellent hot water setting, create beautiful defined curls in seconds. So these are the ones. If I can find them online, I'm just gonna leave them a link for you to get them. But these are, I think these have been out there for a long time. I simply just have them around for a while. So this is my sectioning. Let me just show you. Don't be scared. This is my sectioning. I don't know if you can make it out. But I'm not good at sectioning hair or braiding, so this is the best I can. And I really like changing my style every now and then. I hope the size of my braids are good enough to fit in, because my hair can squeeze in a very tight space. It's just that for example, here, and if you can see, that I don't really like making the braids too tight on my roots, because I don't want to affect my roots by a lot of tension, which it's already going to have with the lock. But yeah, I did this a while ago. Let's just start. This is going to take a while, and I'm not trying to teach you how to do things. I'm going to leave here some videos of other YouTubers from whom I have learned. I'm still experimenting and learning how to do this. from the ones I actually uh, figure out how to do this, but I'm still not the type of the one YouTuber you wanna learn from. But like I said, this is the second time. Let me just take them out. So I bought 6 packs, and each pack comes with, I'll tell you now. So each pack it's 10, so I bought 6, so I have 60. And I don't think I have 60. Like I said, I yesterday when I made them, um, I count them and there were like 34 or something. So we'll see. But it's good to have more than you need than to need more and you have empty spots in your head. So let me just take them out. So for what I've gathered after doing this a couple of times, I don't know if I can show you. This is the crochet needle. Has a little hook. So I'm gonna crochet. Gonna put the crochet. See, I'm already making a mistake. So I'm gonna look for the base of the braid here. I don't know if you can see. And I'm gonna push it in close through the base of the braid. Like I said, there are many other YouTubers whom you can learn how to do this style. So once it's in, I'm gonna hook the lock in the needle, and I'm gonna push through very gently, and you unhook a little bit of the lock. That's fine. I'll trim that later. And you can either pull just the lock, but what I'm gonna do is I'm going to push through the braid. I'm gonna grab the braid and the lock and pull it through the loop. And I'm gonna pull the lock. So the lock is essentially secured here. Unravel a little bit the lock, and I'm just gonna wrap it around the braid. And I'm not gonna worry about the ends because I'm thinking of leaving the ends like curled, as if the ends were just curls, like the lock you unravel in the middle. But it's gonna be my hair because my hair right now is 20. The longest section is probably 27 inches. Because you're not gonna be able to learn anything from me. You're just watching me struggle. This is very difficult. Oh. Well, the first time I saw this, I thought, oh, it's so easy. But no, it is. Well, easy. It's difficult. It's easy to do because the concept is very easy. But doing the proper technique, it's difficult. So here it is, first look, and you can see the hair is a little bit here. This is my hair. The look is around here, so I can actually just tuck my hair in here. That's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna go and do some more, and I'll be back just to show you again if I manage to do something different, and if not, I don't know. Just watch me struggle. We'll see where this all goes. I have no idea. Comment below what's what mistake I'm making. uh, but this is all just for the fun, so let me just continue. So these are the three I have so far. I will do this and I'll be back. I'm not gonna bother you anymore. I'm not gonna teach you anything, like I said. But I just want to share with you the experience of putting this for the second time. The hair is super soft because I've only used uh, lots, the ones that I had before, where I think they were style icons. But the hair is very soft and very. It doesn't feel like it's itchy or anything on my skin, which is why I was wearing this, so I can have a sense of how the hair feels. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing this, and I'll be back with when it's all in, just to show you the final look. This is how they ended up looking. Let me just show you how long they are. My belly button is here, and you can see the ends. I just let them curl, so it looks like the log is unraveling a little bit, which I think it's okay. That's how it looks in the back. You'll tell me if the parting is fine, because the way I did it is very organic. Again, I don't think I can teach you anything. I'm gonna leave the resources of several YouTubers. I look at their videos in order to understand how to do this. But I'm sorry if you come over here and you thought, oh, I'm gonna learn how to do crochet faux locs and individual crochet, but I'm just trying things out, and this is the third time I do them. I can say that for it being the third time, it does feel more comfortable in my head. Of course, there are less locks in my hair. I use 4 packs in my head, so roughly around 43 or 44, because each pack comes with 10, and I had to use out of one of the remaining packs, 3 individual locks from them in order to finish the whole head. And for the method that I was using, the wrapping method, I couldn't actually use the accent pieces wrapping, but I just crochet them in one of the partings, and that'll be it. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more of my content, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. Remember, you can follow me all across social media at Panacurls, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye.